If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Nintendo Switch, calibrating your device can help resolve these problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Power off the device. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 3 seconds, then select power options and choose turn off. Wait for a few moments before turning it back on. Step 2. Update system software. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select System Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Step 3. Check for corrupted data. Navigate to System Settings, then select Data Management. Choose Save Data Cloud Backup to check if any game data is corrupted. If you find any issues, consider deleting the corrupted data and re-downloading the game. Step 4. Reset the console. If the issue persists, try resetting the console. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select Formatting Options. Choose Reset Console and follow the prompts. Note that this will erase all data, so back up important files first. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the crashing issue, it may be time to contact Nintendo support. Visit their official website for assistance or to arrange for repairs if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, seeking professional help is recommended.